Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hydrogen peroxide has been found in medicine cabinets and first aid kits for many years. It is made of water with extra oxygen. This mixture then makes a substance that kills germs. You can find hydrogen peroxide in many forms. It is very dangerous in high concentrations. However, lower concentrations can be good for your health and your home. Hydrogen peroxide can be placed on small wounds, cuts, and grazes to clean out the injury and to kill any germs. Hydrogen peroxide can also fight certain infections and get rid of harmful toxins. You should use the 3% hydrogen peroxide for your health and household needs. This is usually the only concentration that you would find at your local pharmacy or drugstore. Here is a list of some of the amazing things that hydrogen peroxide can do. 1. Make teeth pearly white. Hydrogen peroxide is highly effective in whitening teeth. Many of the whitening toothpastes that you find in the store contain hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide mildly bleaches your teeth and brightens your smile after several doses. Here is a recipe to make a hydrogen peroxide mixture to whiten your teeth. Mix together equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and lukewarm water. Swish the solution around in your mouth for a few seconds. Spit it out and rinse with regular water. Use this remedy 1 or 2 times daily until you get the desired result. It is extremely important that you do not swallow any hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can also irritate your mouth and gums. Use caution when using, and if you experience any of these symptoms, stop use immediately. 2. Whiten nails. Like teeth, hydrogen peroxide can whiten your fingernails. Take care of your fingernails and utilize hydrogen peroxide to keep them looking clean, bright, and healthy. Here is a recipe to make a hydrogen peroxide mixture to brighten your fingernails. Mix 3 to 4 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide into 1/2 cup of water. Soak your nails in the solution for 2 to 3 minutes. Gently scrub your nails using a soft toothbrush. Rinse them thoroughly with water. Do this once or twice a week for several months. It is important to note that hydrogen peroxide can dry out your fingernails. To prevent this from occurring, rub some olive oil or coconut oil on your nails after using a hydrogen peroxide mixture. 3. Eliminate toenail fungus. Hydrogen peroxide can kill germs. Thus, it also can help fight toenail fungus. When applied, hydrogen peroxide can quickly kill the fungus. Hydrogen peroxide can also help other foot-related issues, such as calluses and corns. Hydrogen peroxide will kill any built-up bacteria and will work to soften the skin of the calluses and corns. How to eliminate toenail fungus. Prepare a mixture of equal amounts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Put the solution in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the affected toes before going to bed. Leave it on overnight. The next morning, wash the affected area in lukewarm water. Gently scrub the toenails with a soft toothbrush. Use this remedy daily for about a month to get rid of the infection completely. 4. Clear up acne. Hydrogen peroxide can even eliminate or diminish acne. When applied to the skin, hydrogen peroxide oxidizes the cell walls of the bacteria. It then kills them. Once the bacteria is destroyed, the acne will heal quickly. Hydrogen peroxide also prevents future acne breakouts by controlling the amount of oils that your face makes. How do we do that, you ask? Here you go. Clean your skin with a gentle cleanser. Dip a cotton ball into hydrogen peroxide and dab it onto the affected area. Allow it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse it off and apply a light, oil-free moisturizer. Repeat 1 or 2 times a day until you get rid of the acne completely. It is very important that you do not use hydrogen peroxide on sensitive skin. If used, it can cause increased irritation or burning. 5. Support oral health. Hydrogen peroxide kills bacteria, germs, and fungus. Because of its ability to kill germs, hydrogen peroxide is widely used in the dental field. It slows the rate which germs grow in your mouth. Hydrogen peroxide also reduces the risk of certain dental issues, such as plaque and gingivitis. Hydrogen peroxide can even cure or lessen the pain of a toothache. Below, you will find a simple recipe to improve your oral health. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Gargle with this solution for a couple of minutes, just like you would use a mouthwash. Spit it out. Rinse your mouth with plain water. Also, dip your toothbrush in hydrogen peroxide to kill any germs living on it. You can even soak it in hydrogen peroxide overnight to allow it to kill even more germs. 6. Loosen earwax. Excessive earwax is uncomfortable and unsightly. Look no further than hydrogen peroxide to fix this ailment. Hydrogen peroxide removes not only earwax, but also dust and debris from the ear. Hydrogen peroxide also alleviates the itchy and uncomfortable feeling you get when you have earwax. Here is a natural remedy, including hydrogen peroxide, to combat earwax. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Fill an eardropper with the solution. Tilt your head sideways and put a few drops of the solution into your ear. Wait 5 minutes, then tilt your head to the opposite side to allow gravity to pull the solution out of your ear. Wipe away the earwax using a clean cloth. 7. Sanitize fruits and vegetables. Most of the fruits and vegetables that we find in our grocery stores are coated with a residue from the farmer's chemicals, which are mostly used to kill bugs. Eating fruits and vegetables that have these chemicals on them can negatively impact your health. Hydrogen peroxide is a known germ killer and kills bacteria as well, such as E. coli. Hydrogen peroxide can also help all your produce to last longer. Here is an easy way to remove the chemical residue from your produce. Pour hydrogen peroxide into a spray bottle. Spray it over your produce. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse off your produce in running water and pat dry thoroughly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.